incredibly big. Let's see. I need to get everything out.
Whoa, Sammy, what is this you're throwing? A puzzle piece?
You haven't seen anything.
What? Why?
Well, I wanted to assemble a puzzle picture to give you as a gift, but I don't want you to see it too early.
Oh, a gift for me? Oh, Sammy.
Yes. You're such a wonderful friend, Susie. You help me all the time. You give me candy. You make interesting things. So, I've decided to make something for you, too.
Oh, Sammy, you're so wonderful. Then I won't look. Hey, I'll go make something too.
Yeah, go on.
Sam is so busy, he didn't even think to ask what I'm going to make. But Sam's puzzle gave me an interesting idea. I have 2 old puzzle pieces here. I'll use them. This is an idea for best friends.
Like you and I, right?
Yes, Sammy, like you and I.
And best friends share sweet treats, right?
Of course. Here's some grapes.
What?
Grapes. It's the sweet treat.
It's not quite the sweet treat I meant. But thank you for sharing.
Wow, I think grapes are very sweet and delicious. Yum! Give a thumbs up if you agree. And I'll start with the craft. Besides the puzzle pieces, I'll need a marker, red glitter glue, and this heart stencil to make it very neat and pretty. A hole punch, and these 2 key rings. I'll put the puzzle pieces together like this.
Oh, is that from my puzzle?
Oh, no, Sammy. It's from the old one. Why?
Something's not right with mine.
Do you need some help?
No. I'll do it myself. I can do it.
I'm sure you can. I'll put the stencil on the puzzle pieces, like this, and outline it very carefully. Nice and slow. Now, I'll color the inside of the heart with glitter glue. I'll try not to go outside of the line. This glitter will make the heart very pretty. Now I'll let it dry. I wonder how Sam's doing.
Who knew making a gift was such great work? Grapes have given me some energy, but not for long. Soon I'll be exhausted. Come here, puzzle. Come on. Tired. I'll have some rest.
Sam, is everything all right in there?
Yes, it's all good. I'm working.
All right, call me if you need anything.
Sure. No, I need to continue. I have to do it myself.
Okay, the heart is dry. Now I need to outline it with the marker again to make it even prettier, like this. Now, I'll make a hole with the hole punch. Good thing Sam's not around. He's a bit scared of this thing. There. And then, I'll put the key rings through. One and 2. Done! These are key rings that have no meaning without each other.
Susie, can you come with me for a minute?
Sure, Sammy.
Here! This is for you, because you're my bestest friend.
Oh, thank you. It's very nice. And this is for you.
Huh? Looks weird.
They work this way. See?
Oh, cool!
You're welcome, Sammy. Guys, do you like this idea for a friendship keyring? Give a thumbs up if you do, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see Sam's new creations.
And if you make this keyring for your best friend, send us photos.
Bye-bye!